All right, everyone. So welcome to this week's edition of Wi-Fi Wednesdays. My name is Kevin Z. I am founder and CEO of My Wi-Fi Networks, and we meet here every single week to discuss the latest and greatest in Wi-Fi marketing. So jumping right into it, as you know, last week we launched a brand new automation tool where we redesigned the automation functionality. So what that allows you to do is obviously you can always plug in the apps that you already use. So most CRMs, email providers, etc. If there's an app that you'd like to have here that we don't currently have when you use it frequently, go to feedback.mywifi.io. We have a section there for integrations, and please request the integration there. And that's the best way for us to start looking into it. That being said, you can also go in and link your Facebook pixels. So I hope a lot of you are building audiences here. I do have some training coming up that I'm going to teach you exactly how to set all this up and also how to set up a whole bunch of other stuff directly in the system. And you can also automate your email and SMS marketing. What's going on? Bowman. Sorry about that. Email and SMS marketing. So you can add the new automation based on connect, disconnect, inactive, and birthday. You can set a delay real time or have it happen in real time or on a delay, and then have it sent always, one time, or by visits, and then obviously plug in your apps on the side. So this connects with over 1,000 apps on Zapier. We also added some new things in the dashboard that I'm not sure you know about, and I'm going to jump in right now and show you. So I'm going to log in over here to the Wi-Fi dashboard. I'm just going to log in as any user. So the first thing I wanted to show you here is the Messenger redirect. Oops, sorry about that. So in the campaign right now, if you open up the campaign section and you click on add new campaign or edit a campaign, you'll notice in redirect, if you enable the redirect, we have Messenger. Okay, so what you want to do here is put in the page name. So you can put any page name that you want in here and then set your referral. This is optional. This is for you to track or trigger different chats in ManyChat or any of those other chat softwares that you use. You can trigger an automation based on a ref code or referral code. So this is not shown to the client at all. It's kind of like the one keyword that you use to trigger a specific automation. If somebody opens up a chat through this redirect in Facebook Messenger and ends up actually starting the chat, then it sends the ref code along with that chat in the background. That allows you to trigger an automation on ManyChat. And type it on Facebook, actually. If you guys use any chat bots or anything like that, this is like the ultimate for you because this allows you to trigger a chat bot based on somebody connecting. This is regardless of whether they use Messenger as a login option. That's something else. So the Messenger as a login option actually starts a message. You can use these in conjunction, use them together if you want, but this is not dependent. Somebody here can log in with an email, and then after they connect with email, they get sent to Messenger to start a conversation. And if they do and have the ref code, then you can actually start a bot to then capture more information or run any kind of automation. Cool. So that is really awesome. I hope you guys enjoy that. We also launched a new integration with Reputation Loop. Reputation Loop is a system that automatically generates reviews, or it's a review getting system. So over here, you'll find that inside apps and add new app. You'll find over here it is in loyalty, Reputation Loop. So you add your app name and your API key. If you want a discount, we're going to do a special webinar with a discount. If you want that in advance, just message me on Intercom, on our chat, support chat, and we'll send you that link. And I might even publish that discounted link in the support group shortly if you guys don't want to wait for the webinar. But that's really cool. Anyone who's doing reviews or wants to automate your review process, definitely use that. And I also want to show you guys a new dashboard. I was really hoping to have that live for you today, but I'm always more eager than my developers allow me to be because they really want to test things and make sure they work well, which I totally agree with. So I'm just going to show you a demo because it's not live in your dashboards yet, but say hello to your brand new dashboard. This is an admin dashboard that's really geared towards you as an administrator to understand exactly what's going on across your network. So showing you over here, we have the main platform metrics. So it shows how many sub-users you have, the number of locations you're managing, number of apps and devices, that just at a glance. You can see the overview of number of guests online, active locations, total guests, new guests, emails collected, and guest visits. That's over 24 hours, 7 days, 14 days, and 7 days. It's 14 and 30. Sorry, you can go and filter this as you want in real time. You can also have your top 20 locations. These will be clickable when we go live, but you can actually see over here, hey, who's performing best in the last 7 days, 14 days, 30 days. Track your sales activity. So who's actually converting, if your sales team is using this, you can see at a glance how many leads and views you got in the last 24 hours, 7 days. This is just test data, so don't worry about this, but it's going to be live. Obviously, it'll have your data in there. We also have automation. So if you want to say, hey, I want to see how many automations I've run in the last 24 hours, 7 days, and so forth, you have these time filters. And then presence analytics. If you want to see your passerbys, visitors over a certain amount of time, this makes it really cool to say, hey, did you know that you have 11 million people or 12 million people almost that passed by your location in the last 30 days? Of those, here's how many people actually visited and stuck around. So it's just great data to know. We visualize that as well, upcoming. And then down here on trends, you can see your guest logins, your visitors, and your revenue. This is just last 24 hours, but if I do 14 days, you see more of a real trend over here. So this is a network level. And very slowly, we're going to be rolling this out also to the quick report, or the no more quick report, actually. It's just on the location level. We're going to be having this available on the location level. If there's anything specific that you want to see, like a certain stat or chart or any kind of visualization of data, please request it. Again, the link there is feedback.mywifi.io. Just send us a note there, and we can prioritize that with our development team. So that is the new dashboard. I just wanted to tease that for you. I had a couple other things that I wanted to share, but again, I'm not quite ready yet, but I will be sharing them as soon as I can. So now I'm going to stop. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Hey, Richard, I'm not sure if an integration with RK makes sense. Maybe you want to ask David's team, and maybe if he's interested, we can definitely do something together. And yeah, I refer to the quick report no longer being the quick report. Technically it's still called that, but there's no main menu for it on the side. The way that you access the quick report now is right inside. You open up locations, and you can get, it's called dashboard here. You can actually drill down into any section of this that you'd like. And this is actually the quick report, but we call it the main dashboard now, because this is what your clients are looking at. And just like we have these charts over here, we're going to be blowing out a lot of the admin views into having a more robust analytics section here as well. And obviously, I know you guys are thinking this. This is the precursor to having customized automated reports. We had to rebuild our whole reporting platform to start. And then once we have this built, our very next step is to be able to allow you guys to customize exactly which reports you want to send, type in the name of your client, and then schedule that report to be sent to your client as well. So I'm just going to show you. If I go to or things that you want us to build in the platform. So you can see over here, if I go to platform features, so here's a section for integrations. If you want us to integrate with something specific, you can add that there. On platform features, if I schedule this by top, so scheduled reports right here, this is what we're working on next. We're going to update the status of this so you guys can see that. But that's something that we're definitely working on. Other things like the coupon module, we have planned shortly after the scheduled reports. And if there's anything else, obviously, you want to see, just add it here. It's super easy. Have a title, add more details. The more details you can add, the better. You can even upload a screenshot or a little diagram if you want to draw it out. And you can take a picture with your cell phone and then just upload that photo. This is also mobile friendly, the feedback site. So you can do that right from your phone. And I encourage you to do that, because otherwise we don't know what you want built, and we want to build things that you guys actually use. Yeah, Chris, we can look at integrating with grade.us. Just if you want to add that to the feedback section, and I can have our guys also take a look at that. Ronnie's wondering if there's an affiliate program. Yeah, right when you log into your dashboard, you have on the top of your dashboard when you log in, there's a thing, a little button that says affiliates. If you click on that, that's your unique referral link, and it tells you exactly what you're going to get when you refer people. It's around 20%, in some cases more, but that is typically 20% is the referral that we get, 20 to 30% depending on the client that you're referring. But yeah, Rodney, if you want to access the affiliate dashboard, just log into your portal, and on the top you'll see a link called affiliates. I actually just show you that right here. So once you're in on the top, you'll see a button here, affiliates. Click on that affiliate button, and you'll see right here, and you'll see your unique link. Once you save your PayPal account, we'll give you your unique link right down here, and you can share this at any time. I also want to make you guys aware of a new offer that we are pushing. So it's called superchargeyouragency.com. Now, I recently did a launch to a certain amount, basically a certain list. This is actually those who are in early have a better offer. Or you know anybody that wants to sign up, you can watch the webinar at superchargeyouragency.com. Okay. And then the buy link for this is wifibusinessinabox.com. So if you know anybody that wants to get started, I'm going to be including a lot of this training as I develop it new. I'm going to give it to a lot of you guys that are already on a legacy plan. If you're on a free plan or a lower price plan, unfortunately, you won't have access to all this new training. But anybody that's on a legacy plan, you're going to get an invite shortly. The reason I haven't told you about it yet is I want to get this going. It's going to be our supercharged training course. And anybody who's on a legacy plan or MSP plan is going to get access to this in the background. But if you don't, you can obviously upgrade to this if you want. It is a 6-month plan, so you get 6 months access to my Wi-Fi. You get all of our new training, all the new bonuses, and unlimited locations for $19.97. So it's a special offer that we have going around right now. You can check it out. wifibusinessinabox.com is the main offer, and the webinar replay can be found at superchargeyouragency.com. And if you guys want to refer that, I'm going to be adding it as a link over here. So you'll have the Supercharge link over here in your dashboard. So all you do is you go there and you can copy your link. And then you'll see when you get referred, you have a special referral code up here. That referral code will link any traffic that you send to us right to your affiliate payout. Eugene wants to know where you find all the Facebook training replays. So right inside the Facebook group on the left is a tab called videos. Click on that and it's all there. Any other questions about devices or hardware? Please direct to support.mywifi.io. We plan, another question, we plan to make the coupon module fairly simple, but a little bit more robust. We're going to have coupons that can be triggered on multiple visits only. We'll put some limitations on that. We'll make it very flexible, but also simple to use so that everybody just fill in the blanks kind of thing, and it'll work perfectly. On the integration side, those who want, let's say there's a new MyMail IT. I don't know. I've never heard of that before. If it's not a very popular email provider, chances are we're not going to integrate with it directly. However, if they integrate with Zapier, you can integrate with them in a few clicks. So we have the 2 ways to use Zapier. We have the site. You can go directly via the API, or you can use our embedded Zapier functionality. Either or, you can plug into anything you'd like. Yeah, and those who want to see the new webinar that I did, this is a sales webinar. So I'll just share it with you guys right now. It's superchargeyouragency.com. So I'll add that as a link if anybody wants to send traffic there or share it. Anybody who buys that, you'll get 20 to 30% essentially off of anybody who buys that directly. So that's $600. And if once that user renews, you'll also get 30% for life off of anybody that you refer to us. We actually have 2 affiliate programs just to keep things clear. We have our main affiliate program on mywifinetworks.com that pays 20% recurring. That's for MSP clients. That's a separate affiliate program. You can sign up for that directly at mywifinetworks.com. But anybody that's already signed up on a legacy plan or a business in a box plan, you're part of the 30% entrepreneur program. The reason that we give a higher percent commission there is because we want to give back to those preferring entrepreneurs to us, and MSPs, more established clients, we only give 20% on that end. All right. Anybody else have any questions? All right. If I didn't get to it today, I think I've come caught up. But if you have anything that comes to you after, feel free to hit up our support desk or message us right in the Facebook group. All right, everyone. Take care. Have a great day. Talk to you later.